Okay, continuing my log with my 90-day S series challenge. A bit more pepped up now. My coffee is kicked in. My smoothie has kicked in with the little cayenne pepper, which was extremely delicious. I'm not hungry, but I'm gonna make my protein pancake again. And this time I'm going to have it sit for a while in the refrigerator before I make it for later. And now I got to find it on here. I got to update a lot of these like thumbnails. Alright, let's see. No, it's not called that. French toastberry pancakes. See how easy it is? Man, this app is so easy. This system is so easy. Even at the retail price, it pays for itself. And all the save time and frustration for making great meals. Okay, now the last time I put half a serving like an idiot. I just want one serving. And one serving is a very big pancake. It's like huge. So if I had a griddle, I would do 2 separate pancakes, but I have a pan and I don't like to make separate pancakes in a pan because then I have one and then I put it on a plate and then it sits there and it gets soggy on the bottom. I don't like that. If I've had a griddle and I serve them at the same time, for me it's just better experience. But in the pan, I just make the one giant freaking thing. Okay, now the bowl is just for the berries that I'm going to put in there. It says blueberry, but I'm putting the frozen mixed berry in there. And there we go. 50 grams of mixed berries. You can never have enough berries in your meals. The egg whites, well, now we take this off. And let me get the container. It's still... I just got done rinsing this out from the smoothie. Okay, so egg whites. Okay. That was just detecting the container. So now we have the egg whites. Bam. Okay, here comes the bread, which is supposed to be the regular ass white bread. And the last time I made it, I put extra bread in there and I put a big chunk and I didn't break it apart and I didn't use a tamper, so I was just kind of cowboying it, I guess. But we're not gonna do that this time. I'll just cut the end piece of this off. How about I do it this way? I just took it out of the refrigerator, so it's a little bit... that's another thing. It's the bread is out of the refrigerator, so it's a bit tough. It's 100% whole wheat bread, very dense bread. But very delicious and nutritious. So I'm just chopping this up a little bit so that the blades can get everything. I'll just put everything in there. A little bit extra does not hurt. Okay, now it's time for the stevia. Let me put my bread away here. Bread is one of those things, especially if it's homemade real bread, that you really want to avoid going stale. It'll go stale pretty quick. Not that you can't use stale bread for anything. It's like, you know, you can make breadcrumbs and croutons and stuff, but I don't eat croutons in my salads because they just add calories unnecessarily. So stevia. Oh, just one tablespoon stevia was apparently enough. Okay, what else? I think that is the ground cinnamon. You can even put a little chunk of cinnamon, but you just have to blend longer. I went on a little bit of a rant about cinnamon sticks and how they are more expensive than ground cinnamon, even though you're doing more of the work. You're doing the work that the manufacturer didn't do, but they charge you more. It's stupid. Okay. So I got a vanilla flavoring. Man, I can't even open this thing. Oh, okay, let me try a different bottle. I cannot open this. Let me try something else. Okay, this one I could open. That one I'm gonna have to work on for a little bit. Vanilla extract and vanilla flavorings is so expensive, so I find that this one is the best for the price because you get a whole bunch of it and it tastes extremely good. Might as well be vanilla extract. Okay, xanthan gum. And that is the thickening agent for this, for these foods. Adds very low calorie. Where's my teaspoon? Whatever, I'll just get a regular spoon. I'll just get a regular spoon. I don't need a measuring spoon because I could just pour this until it tells me to stop. That's the beauty of this scale system. I don't have to get all these measuring cups and stuff out. I really could care less. Just throw it in until it's okay. All right, now we go to the blending part of it. And we'll just, yeah, it's 20 seconds. We'll do this manually. That's it. Yeah, see how it's like nice and thick? It's not like runny anymore. Oh yeah, nice and thick. So that is gonna get poured in a container, and then I'm gonna save that for about 2 hours. Right now it's 0900, about 1100. I'll continue my breakfast. Oh, what I want to do is, I missed the. So normally I cook these in a pan and then you add the berries, but I'm just gonna add the berries in here and just kind of give them a little bit of a pulse or two so they can just kind of chunk up a little bit. There we go. Gives it a nice color too, little purple color. But okay, that's all I want. Chunk it up. So this is gonna be in. I wonder if I can do something here along the line of serving Okay, minus 28 calories because of the plastic thing, but let's see. Turn the blade a little bit. Not reset. Oh well. We know that this is about 350 because there's going to be some losses here. Where's where did I put that thing? Oh, crying out loud. Alright, so I was trying to get my blade scraper. Let me get that. Raw, unedited footage of me screwing around in the kitchen. Where is my blade scraper? I am not happy that I cannot find it. Oh, man, I see it. It's over here. It was hidden from my sight. Look at the little blade scraper here. Get all that because it kind of pulsed a little too hard there. It splashed everything on the walls. But you know what? That's what this tool is for. Somebody found another one that's on Amazon that's like really, really tiny. That looks like it would work very well too. I mean, it doesn't hurt to have this one. I like this one. But that one looks like it would work a little bit better around some of the blades. So I would probably get that one too. Can never have enough kitchen goodies. I mean, I don't want a whole bunch of appliances. That's the whole point of me having a Vitamix too. I don't want a whole bunch of appliances. I want to be pretty minimalist, but like little itty bitty gadgets like that are nice. Yeah, it's not really that much in there to be worth fussing about, so I'm just going to go ahead and clean this. Rinsed and faucet. Take the blades off and rinse those. 90-day challenge. I've been using this every day so far. It's been 5 days. And no problems really. The only problems I ever really had were just me being an idiot. I'm a pretty smart guy, but I do stupid things in the kitchen. I'm not a very good, I'm not a chef, I'm not a cook, I'm not anything. I'm a technician by profession. And I'm very good at that. But kitchen-wise, I am a clumsy fool. And even I can operate on the Vitamix and make delicious things. It's just, you know, it's all about having fun. I think it's because I have so much fun with it and everything comes out tasty and delicious that I love using it so much. And look at all this. This thing saves me so much time, so much money. It's crazy. 1 star, piece of crap, don't buy it. S series. Psych. 5 stars, buy it. Buy it.